Hey everyone, it's Ryan here. As most companies have transitioned to work at home environments, I too have had to create an office here out of my spare bedroom. Now as a contractor, I'm used to just kind of setting up work wherever it happened to be. But now that I'm working here from home, I need some reliable technology that I can use here, but also be able to access wherever I am. I have to forward all my office landline calls to my cell phone when I remember. I've also had multiple phones at any given time, but that was never optimal either. I always ended up having to screen my business calls from my personal calls and sometimes even losing the phones. I contacted the experts at Peerless Network to see if they could help me out.
Hey Ryan, let me tell you a little bit about what we're recommending. So here at Peerless Network, we want to help you find the best solution. Peerless Network connects businesses and employees with our cloud PBX. Team members can manage voice, messaging, and more no matter where you're at from your smartphone, computer, or home office phone with some easy-to-use apps. For example, Ryan, you're in Florida, and we can have your dedicated phone number ring directly to your Florida office at no cost. Peerless Network has a solution for busy professionals on the go, especially for moms like me working from home. You can access your work calls from your smartphone, your computer, or even your home office phone. Never miss a call again, even if your friends and family members are using your devices. My kids always take my phone, so this really helps. You no longer have to give out your personal cell phone number. You can have a different number for your work calls, and you'll never miss that important work call again. Ryan, just use the smartphone and desktop apps for all your voice and messaging. Working from home just got a lot easier thanks to Peerless Network.
My support person at Peerless Network recommended I try the Peerless Cloud PBX solution. With the Peerless portal, I can make and receive calls and text with an extension phone number anywhere in the world from my smartphone or computer. It's a quick, easy, cost-efficient solution with no contracts and no commitments. I picked out the equipment I wanted and they sent it overnight. I connected the phone to the router and that's it. Truly plug and play. All I have to do now is simply access Cloud PBX via the Cloud Dial mobile app or the Cloud Dial desktop app, and I shouldn't have any more mixed up calls, missed calls, or old voicemails that I've never checked on my office phone. I can manage all my work calls and messaging with my smartphone and desktop apps. So some of the things that I really like about this system: there is no complicated or expensive equipment, it's easy to use and customize, and instant activation. It's plug and play. Easy to use phone and desktop apps allow you to see which call is work and which isn't. I can set up a schedule so calls can go to voicemail during non-work hours, and if I lose my phone, I can always instantly access my work calls from my laptop or office phone. For more information on how you can set up your home office voice solutions, visit peerlessnetwork.com at the dedicated link on the screen. Up next, some high-tech hints to bring your home into the 21st century.